How to withdraw your funds on AIPF, step-by-step guide. First, go to the My Account section. Here, you will see two balances. Static balance, where your staking rewards are collected. Dynamic balance, where affiliate and ROI bonuses are allocated. To withdraw from the static balance, click Release. Select the balance type, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and choose the release period. For example, selecting a 0-day release period requires paying a 20% commission fee. Once everything is set, click Release and confirm the transaction in your wallet. After that, return to My Account and navigate to TurboSwap. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Please note that you must have an equivalent amount of USDT in your wallet. For example, if you want to withdraw 5 AIPF, you will need approximately 10 USDT in your wallet. After entering the amount, click Swap and Withdraw. The equivalent USDT will be temporarily deducted from your wallet, and you will receive AIPF tokens. Your USDT will be unlocked after 12 hours, after which you can convert your AIPF tokens back into USDT using the swap section. This is how you can withdraw funds from the AIPF platform. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join today. Visit the official website, aip.finance. Stay connected for more updates, tutorials, and community announcements.